our youth from the southeast, and particularly from Anambra, the last recruitment exercise into the army and even into the police force, the Anambra, I think, had the lowest expression of interest in the country. I want to use this opportunity to call on our youth to enlist in the armed forces of Nigeria. Nigeria belongs to all of us. We cannot participate in it by avoiding it. We cannot be full members, but at the same time get out. This is one area where we are marginalizing ourselves. Nobody is marginalizing us. If you refuse to enter the police, the armed forces, then in a few decades to come, you will turn around and complain that there are no officers, no these things of Anambra or Igbo extraction. We must participate equally as equal co-owners of Project Nigeria.
Governor Soludo told the youth of Anambra State to be joining Nigerian Army. Is Governor Soludo not seeing how Nigerian Army officers are being killed like flies on a daily basis? Boko Haram, ISWAP, and other terrorist groups in northern Nigeria are killing Nigerian Army officers on a daily basis. And you are telling Igbo youths to go and join the Nigerian Army. Why not they tell Igbo youths say make they join politics? Instead, they tell them say make they join Nigerian Army, where they say the life of Nigerian Army officers no matter to the federal government of Nigeria. The last time an army officer, a brigadier, was killed by ISWAP, Nigeria not even do like say they kill a brigadier. Instead, Nigeria government, they go negotiate with bandits and terrorists in northern Nigeria. And you are telling Igbo youth, you are telling Anambra youth to go and be joining Nigeria Army for them to go and die for nothing. Soludo, lead by example. You get children, bring them come back from Obodo Igbo where they did. Make them come join Nigeria Army. Bring your sons and daughters for them to join Nigeria Army. Make them they carry gun the way Nigerian Army they carry. Make them they go fight ISWAP. Make them they go fight Boko Haram. You politicians, all you can do is bring your sons and daughters to politics. You go make your pikin chairman of so local government. They put your pikin for political positions. But today here they tell Anambra youths to go join Nigerian Army as if you are not seeing what Nigerian Army are suffering in this country called Nigeria. Nigerian Army that cannot protect Nigerians. Nigerian Army where say if they come in combat with terrorist groups, they go to tell Nigerian Army say don't shoot, don't shoot. Terrorists go to shoot Nigerian Army. Instead of them to shoot back, their commander will tell them don't shoot. You want Igbo youths to enter Nigerian Army, an army where they say repentant Boko Haram, bandits and terrorists. Nigeria government don't recruit them, put for Nigerian Army. You want Igbo, you want Igbo youths to be in the same army with bandits and terrorists. You never hear news where they say army officers they shoot bandits and terrorists. Their fellow officers where they say they be repentant Boko Haram start to shoot Nigerian Army officers. Tell them say una two they kill Boko Haram, una two they kill ISWAP. You don't know say they be our brothers. So Ludo, now what you they tell Igbo youths to go do? You they tell Igbo youths to go join Nigerian Army. Knowing fully well that joining the Nigerian Army is a very dangerous thing to do. Joining Nigerian Army is a suicide mission. Instead of to tell our youth to go join politics, they tell them to go join army. If our youth join army, terrorist organizations for northern Nigeria can't kill them finish. Who go come the Igbo land? Igbo youths, make una know they join Nigerian Army. It's a suicide mission. What you want go Nigerian Army go do? Make that they give Igbo political offices to occupy. Minister of Petroleum and Gas, Minister of this, Minister of that. Put Igbo youth for there. Stop telling Igbo to join Nigerian Army. It's better for Igbo youths to stay back at home, protecting their lands from the evil agenda where we say Northern Nigeria they plan, than for us to just join Nigeria and go die through away. Nigeria is not worth dying for. Make Igbo youths join the army of a country where not care for human life. The last time, 200 people were killed in a village in Benue State. Tinubu did not call for state of emergency. No Fulani herdsmen were arrested. The bush where we say those people follow come invade those communities, kill everybody, burn everybody where they that place. Federal government not enter that place, say may they arrest all those terrorists and bandits. No. And that's because the life of Nigerians don't matter to the federal government of Nigeria. But as they just bust pipeline for Rivers State, the federal government of Nigeria declared Rivers State a state of emergency. What a shame. Nigeria government only cares for pipelines, but they don't care for human life. So, telling Igbo youths to join Nigerian Army is a waste of time. You just be like, you they send them go suicide mission, make them go die. Igbo should be careful around this our politicians. So now so they go just they sweet mouth you. Ijega zonyo konebe geji igeje manachite. Igbo lives matter. May they carry Igbo youths they put for war front. May they dey for front. Since where these herdsmen they commit atrocities for Igbo land, I never see Soludo come out one day, drag Fulani people, tell them say, Fulani people, you people should call your people to order. Why are your people going round the bushes killing people? They're not going to talk like that because they fear Fulani government, they fear Northern Nigeria. How many of our governors for Igbo land you don't see? Open mouth, they tell Fulani people say, they don't want to see cow again for their bush. So don't make it just be say this the way they talk now. Now political statements. Make it be say you just talk. Because you know go talk say you not take your eye, they see what's in the happen. Make it be say it's just a political statement. We know in this country that if politicians no one offend some set of people, you go just talk one thing to please those people. We call those kind of statements political statements. Make it be say a political statement they make. So stop telling Igbo youths to join Nigerian Army. There's no benefit in joining Nigerian Army. Tell Northerners to join Nigerian Army to protect their land. Make everybody protect their land from invasion. The killings going on in Nigeria is happening in Northern Nigeria. Tell Hausa people, tell Nupe people, tell those Northerners say, make them join Nigerian Army. Make them they protect their land. Stop telling Igbo youths to join army so that they will send them to the north for them to go and die. Yesterday, so many Nigerian army officers were killed. And this SWAP member, he wear bomb, run enter where Nigerian army they blow. More than 15 Nigerian army officers died. Armor tanks blown off. The life of Igbo youths matter. Any Igbo youth will be say, you won't see tomorrow, life they sweet you. Stay clear from Nigerian army, not join that thing. If you go countries like United States, if you see the way that they honor their army officers, if you see their army officers who injure, the way the government of America they honor them, they're not going to ever regret why they join US Army. But in Nigeria, if Boko Haram like, may they kill all the brigadier generals for Nigeria Army, Nigeria government not go shake. They don't even know whether they kill anybody. May Boko Haram and this one kill 200 Nigeria Army officers. It not go shake Nigeria government. The life of Nigerians don't matter to the government of Nigeria. Army officers' life no matter. The citizens' life no matter. The only thing that matters to the federal government of Nigeria is crude oil and cow. That is the only thing that they care about. Instead of calling on the federal government to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they tell Igbo youths to go join Nigerian Army. Application form were given to the Southeast for each Southeast state to bring people that wants to join Nigerian Army. No Igbo youth go. The ones who go, now very few. And those ones who go now, the stupid set of youths where we get for Igbo land, when no one gets sense, no say, Igbos are the most hated people in this country called Nigeria. So, as it be say we Igbos are the most hated, it's very bad for an Igbo man to be joining Nigerian Army, to die for nothing. You won't die for country, you will not care about human life. You know what you say, you not get sense? Anambra youths join Nigerian Army so that we won't be complaining that all the army officers are Hausa people. Is it not Hausa people that occupy Nigerian Army before? Now them still there. Allow Igbo youths to occupy federal positions in this country. That is where Igbo youths are okay to be. Where our people go their life, they enjoy life, they live life. We go they see them that they see us, this our brother their life, oh, it's better than to go join something where we say, in my life no matter. To join something where we say, terrorists, full Nigerian army. Soludo, stop giving Igbo youth this kind of advice. We don't need it. We don't need such advice. Igbo youth, stay clear from Nigerian army. Join politics. Ishewale.